Hi, my name is Andrew and I'm here with Teen Volunteers in Action. Today I'm going to be reading Knuffle Bunny 2, A Case of Mistaken Identity by Mo Willems. Okay. One morning, not so long ago, Trixie took a walk with her daddy. By now, Trixie really knew how to talk. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to show Amy, and then I'll show Meg, and then I'll show Margot, and then I'll show Jane, and then I'll show Leela, and then I'll show Rebecca, and then I'll show Noah, and then I'll show Robbie, and then I'll show Toshi, and then I'll show Casey, and then I'll show Connie, and then I'll show Parker, and then I'll show Brian, and talk and talk. Trixie was really excited because she was taking her one-of-a-kind Knuffle Bunny someplace very special. Come on. School. Trixie couldn't wait to show Knuffle Bunny to Miss Greengrove and all her friends in pre-K. But just as her daddy kissed her goodbye, Trixie saw Sanjo. Suddenly, Trixie's one-of-a-kind Knuffle Bunny wasn't so one-of-a-kind anymore. The morning did not go well. Knuffle. The afternoon was worse. When the school bell rang, Miss Greengrove returned as the Knuffle Bunnies, and the day got better. Then, before she knew it, it was time to go home. Trixie ate her dinner, devoured her dessert, and brushed her teeth, and tried to escape the mommy and daddy robots from the planet Snurp. At 1:30 bedtime, Trixie was tucked in, ready for sleep. But a few hours later, Trixie realized something. Trixie marched into her mommy and daddy's room and said, "That is not my bunny." Trixie's daddy tried to explain what 2:30 a.m. means. He asked, "Can we deal with this in the morning?" Trixie's daddy went to the phone. Before he even made it down the stairs, bring the phone rang. "We have your bunny," said a man's voice on the other end. "We have yours," replied Trixie's dad. Arrangements were made. Trixie and her daddy rushed across the neighborhood. Trixie did not want to be late. Neither did Sanjo. There was an exchange. The Knuffle Bunnies were back, where they belonged. And that is how Trixie found her first best friend. The end.